Welcome. In front of me I have Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can take care of the battery of this device. So at first we have to go for the settings, then find the battery, and when you are here we have to move for the battery care. And here we can find a couple of the options. At the first we can set the charging limit. So when we lower the charging limit for the 90, oh sorry, I just misclicked, for the 90 or the 80%, we are going to extend the battery lifespan. And the same when we are going to choose the slow charging, when we turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and we can switch between 18 and 10 watts. Of course, both of them will still be better to our battery lifespan. I can recommend you to go with this one. If you don't need to fast charge your smartphone, just use the slow charging, and basically here you'll be also get your all habits of the charge. And yeah, that's how you can take care of the battery in Asus Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.